Hi there, PRE. Welcome to the December Assembly. We're so glad to have you with us today. Enjoy the assembly and have a wonderful Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, this is Mr. Jenkins, the Elf here. I just want to say Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a great break, and we'll see you soon.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hey everybody, here at Priest River Elementary, we follow the Spartan way. We are respectful, responsible, safe, and kind. Remember to be caring this month of December and treat your family well. Thank you.
Our character trait for this month was caring. The definition of caring is when you display kindness and concern for others.
To be caring, it means to treat others with kindness and respect. It also means providing a listening ear, noticing when someone needs help, and helping your community without a reward.
You can show that you care by sharing, being nice, or just doing something for someone to make them feel better.
The more we care about others, the happier everyone would be. So do something today that will show others that you care about them.
Elementary, it is now time actually to congratulate our awardees of the month for the character trait of caring, which for me is one of the most important character traits. Our kindergarten awardee, her teacher says she was always trying to help her classmates, whether that be trying to make them feel better when they're sad, or showing them how to do something that they might be struggling with. She's a great friend to all of her classmates and a lovely student to have. She shows me she cares by doing her very best to be a good example for her peers. Congratulate, please, Raylyn Charleston. Come on up. Congratulations, Raylyn. Good job. Good seeing you right here, sweetheart. Right there. Excellent. Okay. We have two first grade winners. The first one is always willing to help a friend, whether it's a math problem, picking up materials, or helping someone on the playground. Not only does he care for others, he helps them out because he cares about his schoolwork as well. He gives his assignments 100% effort. Please congratulate Christopher Carter. Come on down, Christopher. Congratulations. Good job, buddy. Our second first grade awardee demonstrates his caring by trying to help people, both adults and other students. He shares it with important people in his life, and he laughs with people. He always makes us smile, and he is always willing to be friends with any student. Come on down, Billy Hickerson. Woo! Congratulations, Billy. Go stand over there. Woo! What great awardees. Our second grade awardee is always caring, willing to help any student out in the classroom. If he sees somebody who needs help, he jumps in without being asked. His desire to help others is not to boast or brag about what he's done. It is just his true nature. Congratulate caring student Johnny Lambert. Come on down. Congratulations. Good job, buddy. Come on over. Third grade. This person is always the first one in class to offer help to his teacher or his friends. He encourages others and he willingly works with anyone in class. He supports classmates. He's humble. He's kind. He's gentle, and he's caring to everyone. Please congratulate third grade awardee, Waylon Hill. Come on down, Waylon. Nice job, my friend. Well done. Our fourth grade awardee for the month of December. This student has been selected to represent the fourth grade for her character trait of being caring. She is always polite, she's considerate, patient, and offers help to other students in a calm, kind manner. It's very clear to adults and to other students that this young lady genuinely cares about others. She never excludes others in the classroom or on the playground. She is a wonderful asset to our classroom and our school community. Congratulations, fourth grader Tinley Carson. Well done, Tinley. Awesome. Our fifth grade awardee is a student who is a very caring person towards her fellow students, her teachers, and her school. Each day she volunteers her free time to come and help around the school to make PRE the best it can be. She's always caring to everyone and brings happiness to all the people she helps out each day. She's not here with us today, but welcome and congratulations, Chloe Schultz. And we'll save her certificate for when she returns. Okay, last but not least is our sixth grade awardee. This student always goes out of her way to help others. She's quick to ask if others around her are doing okay, if they might seem a bit off for the day. She puts careful, caring thoughts into each and every action before she completes them. Last but not least, please congratulate our sixth grade awardee, Lily Mosley. Come on down, Lily. Well done. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for our wonderful lucky awardees for the caring.
Congratulations, everybody!
Alrighty.
Mr. Matt, can I interrupt you for a second?
Absolutely.
Would you come down? We're doing the cape, and I need one class to do the stomp for me because I'm not very good at it. Would you do the, the stomp for the cape? So she's going to film you doing that. You got that? And the winner is the next class.
Congratulations, guys! Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congratulations, everybody!
Laugh and giggle. Oh gosh, it looks like you're having fun. Did I play? No. Oh, come on. No. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, Rudolph, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Merry Christmas! 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 Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, PRE!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, group. Can't wait to see you getting back.
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Hello everyone, Merry Christmas. I hope you have the best one yet. Stay warm and safe. Love you all.
Merry Christmas, everybody! Hope you have an awesome New Year! Merry Christmas!
Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Durham, 4th grade. I'm so happy Christmas and New Year's is here. We'll see you in 2021. Have fun.
Merry Christmas!
Hi guys, I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. I can't wait until you come back next year. We're gonna have so much fun. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! Have a wonderful Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
I want to wish everyone at Priest River Elementary a very Merry